In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block sending images on Discord. This is perfect if you want to keep your server text-only, reduce spam, or maintain a professional environment where file uploads aren't necessary. We'll make a single change in your server's permissions so members can't upload images, GIFs, videos, or any kind of attachments. First, open Discord on your desktop or in your browser and sign in. Make sure you're on the account that has permission to manage the server. Then head to the server where you want to restrict image uploads. You'll find your servers in the left sidebar. Click the one you want to manage so it's active. Next, open the server settings. You can do this by clicking the server name at the top left of the channel list and choosing server settings from the menu. This is where all your server configurations live, including permissions. Inside server settings, go to roles. Roles control what people can and can't do on your server. We're going to adjust the default permissions that apply to everyone who doesn't have a special role. Select default permissions. This is typically the @everyone role, which sets the baseline for all members. Any restrictions you apply here will apply broadly across the server unless you create specific exceptions later. Now scroll to the text channel permissions section. This area controls what members can do in text channels like sending messages, using embeds, and posting files. Find the permission labeled attach files and toggle it off. Turning this off blocks users from uploading any attachments. That includes images, videos, GIFs, documents, and other file types. They'll still be able to send plain text and hyperlinks, but the upload button will be disabled for them. This change does not remove any files that were posted in the past. It only prevents new uploads. Finally, confirm the change by clicking Save Changes. Discord will usually prompt you at the bottom of the screen. Make sure you accept the changes so they take effect. Once saved, the restriction applies immediately across the server for everyone covered by the default role. A few quick tips as you finish up. If you want certain trusted roles like moderators to still upload files, you can grant the attached files permission to those roles separately and they'll override the default restriction. You can also set exceptions per channel if you want some spaces to allow uploads and others to stay text only. And that's it. You've successfully blocked sending images on your Discord server by disabling the attached files permission and saving your changes.